Hello creators, today we are exploring how to customize your WriteSonic AI experience by changing the language. Whether you are multilingual or just want to try new flavors, I've got you covered. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide. Now look for the web browser from your home screen and click on it. Now go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and search for WriteSonic AI, and once you see it, click on it. So once you're on this page, you can directly log in by clicking on Login tab, or you can also open the official website to log in. So for that, you need to click on writesonic.com. So once you open the website, this is the first interface that you'll see, and on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see Sign In tab. Click on it. Now you can sign in with a Google account or with your Apple ID or with your business email. So today I'm going to sign in with my business email. So I'm going to put my business email there, and you can choose any option given below while signing in. Today I'm signing in with OTP. So I'm going to click on Sign In with OTP tab. Now a mail has been sent by Team WriteSonic on your mailbox. Look for the mail and copy the code to verify your email address and paste it in the box given on the screen and click on verify. So now this is the first interface that you'll see as soon as you log in. Now go to the profile icon at top right corner of your screen and click on it. Within the settings, locate the language or language preference option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu or list of available languages. You can change both system language and generation language through a drop-down menu. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the language in WriteSonic AI to better suit your preference. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit the notification bell. Keep creating amazing content, and I'll catch you up in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.